me have some red, blue, and green bits. The ratio of the number of red bits to the number of blue bits is 1:2. Okay, so what I usually like to do, and please teach this to your kids if a parent watching this, is put the item on top of the ratio given. Okay, it's actually a good practice. The number of green bits to the total number of blue and red bits is 1:4. Okay, so this is green and this is blue plus red. Alright, so what fraction of Kim's bits are green bits? So I'm just going to put here, I'm just going to rewrite. R to B is 1:2 and G to B plus R will be 1:4. Now, what they are looking for will be what fraction of Kim's bits are green bits. So, which means that they're looking for green over total. Okay, for this to become total, right now, this is blue plus red is 4. This is red and blue, this is 3. We have to make them the same. So, we have to make a better comparison. Okay, so what's the common multiple? Between 4 and 1 plus 2 equals to 3. What's the common multiple between 3 and 4? 3 and 4. See, if you do not know how to do the common multiple, just go and write down all their multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4, 8, 12. You see, the multiple will be 12, right? Which means that I need to convert this to 12, so I multiply this by 3. And if I multiply this by 3, I have to multiply this by 3 as well. So this will be 12 and this will be 3. And this entire thing will be, I want to make this into 12, so I have to times 6. And then I have to, okay, sorry. This one is times 3. This and I think I have to times 4. Then this one times 4. So this one will be 4:8. Now 4:8, right? You can use this information to change this to this. Green is to red is to blue. Your 3 doesn't change, it's still like that. Okay? And then your red and blue will be 4, 8. The answer actually doesn't change from here. This answer doesn't change from here because it is still 3 is to this plus this equal 12. See, it's still the same. You're only splitting them up. Okay, so now that you got this, they're asking for what is green over total. What is green? Green is 3, right? Okay, so write 3. What's the total? 3 plus 4 plus 8 will give us 15. So simplify this. This one divided by 3. This one divided by 3. And this will give us 1/5. So therefore, answer is 1/5. This is what this is actually what you call ratio comparison. If they give you two sets of ratio that are of different items, and one of them is the common, like for example, in this case, what is common? Red and blue, red and blue. Okay, so when you're doing comparison, right, just write both of them, change one of them to the same multiple, and then you can start combining them. So once you combine them, you'll be able to get the answer. Alright, done.